Hi student, today we are going to start Science 2 and the first chapter Heredity and Evolution. Now the first topic in this chapter is a heredity and hereditary changes. Okay student, watch this video up to end because there are so many important topics in this first video. Now the definition of heredity which we have seen in the ninth standard, but once again we are going to repeat it. Heredity is the transfer of biological characters. Heredity is the transfer of biological characters from one generation to other generation via genes. Listen carefully. Heredity is the transfer of biological characters from one generation to other via genes. Okay. जीन्सच्या माध्यमातून बायोलॉजिकल कॅरेक्टरचं एका जनरेशन मधून दुसऱ्या जनरेशन मध्ये ट्रान्सफर होणं, दॅट इज कॉल्ड हेरिडिटी. नाउ द हिस्ट्री ऑफ hereditary study. The first one, near about 1886, the first scientist who put the first step of the study of heredity, that is genetics, is John Gregor Mendel. Listen carefully. This is the first scientist who started the study of heredity. So, John Gregor Mendel is called the pioneer of the modern genetics. He did a lot of research on heredity, and after a long study, after so many observations, he put his conclusions on heredity. And these conclusions are the basic things or basic of the study of heredity. So this is the very important step in the history of study of heredity. Now the second one, in 1901, Hugo Lewis is the second scientist. He put the mutation theory. It is very important. Mutation theory. Due to that mutation theory, the reasons behind the sudden changes were understood. Some changes were seen in the next generation. We know that so many characters are carried to the next generation, transferred to the next generation. But some lightly changes we found there in the next generation, and that is called a mutation. The reason behind these sudden changes were understood by the mutation theory, which stated by Rugadi Rees. Now the third one, that is in 1902, Walter and Sutton. It is also a very important step in the study of heredity because first time they observed the pair of chromosomes. They observed the paired chromosomes in the cell of grasshopper. Walter and Sutton observed first time the paired chromosomes in the cell of grasshopper until it was not known to anyone They proved that genes are carried through chromosomes. Now, genes means what? Genes are that factors which carried the properties of first generation and gives to the next generation. These factors are called genes. They are carrier of the properties of parent generation. And Walter and Sutton first proved that these genes are carried through chromosomes. After that research, which research? The paired chromosomes in the cell of grasshopper, and the statement that is that genes are carried through chromosomes. After that, research started in the direction of finding genetic material. जॉन ग्रेगर मेंडल हे मॉडर्न जेनेटिक्सचे पायनियर आहेत. त्यांनी बरेचसे रिसर्च केलं आणि त्यांनी त्यांचे बरेचसे निरीक्षण आणि त्यांचे निष्कर्ष मांडले. हे अतिशय महत्वाचं, कारण इथूनच जेनेटिक्सच्या अभ्यासाला सुरुवात झाली, हेरिडिटीच्या अभ्यासाला सुरुवात झाली. शुगर रीज यांनी म्युटेशन थिअरी स्टेट केली, सांगितले. ड्यू टू दॅट म्युटेशन थिअरी, reasons behind the sudden changes were understood. So it is very important. And Walter and Sutton main important part काय आहे? They observed the paired chromosomes in the cell of grasshopper. त्यानंतर they proved that genes are carried through chromosomes. आणि त्यांच्या या संशोधनामुळे नंतरची पुढची सगळी रिसर्च ही जेनेटिक मटेरियल शोधण्याच्या डायरेक्शन न झाली. कळतंय? सो दीज आर व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट स्टेप्स इन द स्टडी ऑफ हेरिडिटी. After Walter and Sutton's study in 1944, Oswald Avery, Maclean McCarthy, and Colin MacLeod, these three scientists proved that except virus, all living organisms have DNA as a genetic material. Listen carefully. In 1944, Oswald Avery, Maclean McCarthy, and Colin MacLeod, these three scientists proved that except viruses, all living organisms have a DNA as a genetic material, and it is very important. In 1961, French geneticists Francois Jacob and Jacques Monod, they proposed a model for process of a protein synthesis. They proposed a model of a process of a protein synthesis with the help of DNA of a bacterial cells. It is a very important step in the study of genetics. These two scientists proposed a model for process of a protein synthesis with the help of DNA in bacterial cells. Now, due to this invention, this model uncovered the genetic codes hidden in the DNA. यामुळे डीएनए मधले जे लपलेले जे हिडन असलेले जे कोड्स आहेत त्याच्याबद्दल माहिती मिळायला लागली. By the model proposed by above two scientists, the technique of recombinant DNA technology has been developed. या मॉडेलमुळे पुनर्संयोजीकरण डीएनएचं पुनर्संयोजीकरण टेक्नॉलॉजी डेव्हलप झाली. आणि या टेक्नॉलॉजीच्या स्टडीमुळे the study of this technology developed or emerged or started the field of genetic engineering. यामुळे जेनेटिक इंजिनिअरिंग या एका नवीन शाखेला सुरुवात झाली which has a large scope nowadays. It is very important कारण या दोन शास्त्रज्ञांनी पहिल्यांदा प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस हे मॉडेल डेव्हलप करून दाखवलं की ज्याच्यातून बरेचसे माहित नसलेले कोड लँग्वेज डीएनएतली कळायला लागली. त्यांनी त्याच्यामध्ये टेक्निक ऑफ रिकॉम्बिनंट डीएनए टेक्नॉलॉजी डेव्हलप केली की ज्यामुळे जेनेटिक इंजिनिअरिंग या नवीन अभ्यासाची एक युनिटच सुरू झालं, एक वे सुरू झाला की ज्याला आज सध्या खूप स्कोप आहे. सो दिस इज द हिस्ट्री ऑफ स्टडी इन हेरिडिटी. The benefits of the study of heredity. The science of heredity is useful for diagnosis of hereditary disorders, for the treatment of hereditary disorders, and in prevention of hereditary disorders. या हेरिडिटीच्या सायन्सच्या अभ्यासाचा काय फायदा झाला? ऑफस्प्रिंग्स मध्ये काही हेरिडिटरी डिसऑर्डर्स दिसून येतात. त्या डिसऑर्डर्स डायग्नोसिस करण्यासाठी या सायन्सचा उपयोग झाला. त्या डिसऑर्डरच्या ट्रीटमेंटसाठी देखील याचा यूज झालेला आहे आणि त्या डिसऑर्डर प्रिव्हेंट करण्यासाठी सुद्धा हेरिडिटरी सायन्सचा यूज झालेला आहे. सो इट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट benefit of the study of heredity, diagnosis of hereditary disorders, for the treatment of hereditary disorders, and in prevention of hereditary disorder. This is the first use and it is very important use. The study of heredity is useful for the production of hybrid varieties of animals and plants. नवीन हायब्रिड व्हरायटीज शोधण्यासाठी या हेरिडिटी सायन्सचा यूज झालेला आहे. दिस सायन्स ऑफ हेरिडिटी इज युजफुल इन इंडस्ट्री also, where microbes are used in industrial process. In some industries, that is in wine industry, in bakery, microbes are used for industrial process. Here, the science of heredity is useful. काही उद्योगधंद्यांमध्ये काही इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये काही सूक्ष्मजीवांचा मायक्रोबचा यूज होतो इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोसेससाठी. त्या ठिकाणी देखील या हेरिडिटी या सायन्सचा यूज झालेला आहे. परंतु दिस इज बेसिक कन्सेप्ट ऑफ हेरिडिटी स्टडी. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा, सबस्क्राईब करा. नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओ मध्ये आपण सेंट्रल डोग्मा ही प्रोसेस पाहणार आहोत की ज्यामध्ये ऍक्च्युअल प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस कसं होतं ते आपल्याला शिकायचं आहे. बरोबर आहे. सो नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओ इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. इट वॉज द बेसिक आणि ऍक्च्युअल प्रोसेस नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओ मध्ये आपल्याला शिकायला मिळणार आहे. त्यामुळे या व्हिडिओला लाईक करून ठेवा आणि या चॅप्टरच्या सगळ्या लिंक सेव्ह करून ठेवा. जसं चॅप्टर होईल तसं त्याची प्लेलिस्ट पहा, म्हणजे तुम्हाला तो पाठीमागचा भाग समजायला लागेल. ओके, थँक्यू. हॅव अ गुड डे.